Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set take profit and limit on Metatrader 4. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 4 app, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see lots of forex options to trade. You can choose any of them and now click on trade option. Now in here you will be able to see three options. First one is set stop loss, another is take profit, and last one is deviation. So to set limit you can set your stop loss, and for take profit you can adjust take profit as well. So yeah, basically this is how you can set take profit and limit on Metatrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.